Hey there, hi there, it's me, Priscilla B, and this is my Triple Moon Goddess Tarot card reading. We have lotus flowers, we have a poster that says Triple Moon Goddess. This is my sign right here with the lotus flower. We also have one of these, and action! Don't you just love it? Okay, it's backwards, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, and it's Halloween season. So we are getting excited. We're going to have some fun. That's not fun. We also have our little cute little tiny little jars. We've got our spell candles. We have our tarot cards. And I just ordered some mermaid tarot cards and some fairy tarot cards. So it's going to be so much fun. We're going to have so much fun. So the first card of this reading is the Seven of Pentacles. So I think you must be like hard at work or something. Then we have the Queen of Wands. So I'm sensing some magic is happening. Some really high feminine power. Then we have the Two of Chalices. So we have a couple here taking a bath in this, what appears to be like a pond or a lake, and probably a pond, and they're drinking some beverages, probably some like glasses of wine or like champagne or something. And then we have the Six of Chalices, where we have this woman who is taking a bath in a pond by herself with like lotus flowers, or you could call them like lily pads around her. We have ours, and I also have this really pretty candle holder that also is in the shape of one, which I absolutely love. What else? We also have our bird messenger cards. The bird messenger card for today is the goose. And this is, your dreams and desires are calling you to action. The journey begins today. Yeah. And then we have the Four of Chalices. Okay. So we have, again, the boy sitting by the riverbank with the chalices. We have the Five of Pentacles. We have this old elderly person laying on the ground. We also have the Six of Wands. Okay, we have a person who's looking towards the sun, and they've built their boat. They're traveling. We have the sun with all these like melting colors like coming together to form this like beautiful rainbow, kind of like paint blending together. This is the Sun card. We have the Page of Wands, and this one, if you look up closely, it looks like this person is being like spiraled into this tree somehow. Okay, so we got a lot going on. And we have our Goddess Knowledge card for today. And where am I going to Knowledge cards? Okay, so my Goddess Knowledge card for today is, shuffle these up. The Goddess Knowledge card for today is this one right here. This is Hathor. Hathor is a nourishing, great mother goddess and is the Egyptian mother of all gods and goddesses. Usually portrayed as a cow, she is a sky goddess, the queen of the heavens. The sun emerges from her womb and the moon from her breast. She is the goddess of love, mirth, beauty, and sensual pleasure, as well as the protectress of all women. In other geese shown here, she is the lady of the night and queen of the underworld. With her lion's head, Hathor assumes the role of destroyer and giver of death. In her leopard skin, she is the goddess of fate and fortune, and typifies the ferocity and swiftness of this animal. A night prowler and watcher, Hathor is a strong embodiment of the many sides of existence. Creator, sustainer, destroyer, she encompasses all. Hathor reminds us that we too must acknowledge all parts of ourselves, that what we might call destructive is sometimes necessary to allow our creativity and compassion to flourish. And that is the Goddess Knowledge card for today. So that's the tarot reading for today. And stay tuned tomorrow for a morning tarot card reading with the Bird Messenger card. See what bird is waking you up. What will it be? Okay, bye, love and light.